Hello everyone, myself Devani Srinath, and now we will look about the concept of elimination reaction. Now what is meant by elimination reaction? Elimination reaction is a type of organic reaction in which two substituents are removed from a substrate either in one-step mechanism or in two-step mechanism to form a modified substrate. The one-step mechanism is called as E2 mechanism and the two-step mechanism is called as E1 mechanism. The elimination usually produces a pi bond in the modified substrate. Means whenever there is a elimination, there is a formation of pi bond in the substrate or in the modified substrate or in the product. See the example of propane. To this propane, a leaving group which is denoted by L is attached. When base attacks on this propane, the hydrogen atom will remove with this base as BH positive, and this leaving group will remove as L negative, and we get a formation of new pi bond in the product, that is the formation of propane plus two small fragment, that is BH positive and L negative. Some elimination produces sigma bond also instead of pi bond, but it is very uncommon or it is very rare case. See the example of bromopentane. On this bromopentane, when base attacks, the hydrogen and this bromine atom will remove from this bromopentane, and there is a formation of cyclopentane in the product. Means there is a formation of new sigma bond instead of pi bond, and two small fragment, that is BH positive and Br negative. See the base involved in the elimination reaction may be a nucleophile. It may be a halogen or OH negative, OR or N2 positive or N3, etc. Now classification of elimination reaction. Elimination reactions are classified basically into two types on the basis of position of the two departing groups which are present on alpha carbon atom or on beta carbon atom, as alpha elimination and beta elimination. When two departing groups are present on same skeletal atom or on the same carbon atom, then it is called as alpha elimination, or it is also known as 1-1 elimination. Beta elimination, when two departing groups are present on the adjacent carbon atom, means carbon atom which are present adjacent to each other, then it is called as beta elimination or 1-2 elimination. Now beta elimination are further classified into three classes or three reactions. First one is E2 elimination or E2 reaction. Next is E1, and third one is E1CB reaction or E1CB elimination, etc. Now see, first, that is E2 reaction. Here E stands for elimination and 2 stands for bimolecular. Means it is a bimolecular elimination reaction. The mechanism of this reaction is involve only one step. Means this reaction have a one step mechanism, and it is a second order reaction because the rate of this reaction is depends upon both the concentration of substrate, that is the alkyl halide, as well as on the concentration of base. You see the example of 2-bromobutane. When OH negative, that is the hydroxide ion, attacks on this beta hydrogen, this beta hydrogen will remove with this base, that is OH, with this OH as HOH, and this sigma bond will shift between these two carbon atom, and there is a formation of pi bond, and this bromine will remove as Br negative, because the electron density of this carbon bearing bromine is increases, and therefore we get a formation of butene in the product plus two small fragment Br negative and HOH. Now see the mechanism of E2 reaction. According to the rate law, both the bromobutane and hydroxide ion involved in the transition state, that is the rate determining state, as we see in the mechanism. Both the bromobutane and OH negative, that is base hydroxide ion, are involved in the transition state. Therefore there is a formation of a bond between OH and hydrogen. Therefore OH acquire partial negative charge, and there is a formation of a pi bond between these two carbon atom, and this bromine acquire negative charge because this is leaving from this substrate. Therefore we get a butane plus OH, Br negative plus HOH. The elimination or even reaction. E stands for elimination and 1 for unimolecular, means it is a unimolecular elimination reaction. The mechanism of this reaction involves two steps or two elementary steps. It is a first order reaction because the rate of this reaction is depends upon concentration of alkyl halide. See the example of a tertiary butyl bromide. When base, that is the H2 attacks on this tertiary butyl bromide, we get a formation of 2-methyl propene plus H3O positive plus Br negative, that is another nucleophile. See the mechanism of this even reaction. As this mechanism involves two steps. In the first step, this tertiary butyl bromide will dissociate heterolytically, because this as this bromine is more electronegative than this carbon atom. This bromine will pull this electron toward itself, and therefore it will acquire partial negative charge, and carbon will acquire partial positive charge, and it will remove as Br negative, and this carbon acquire positive charge, means there is a formation of carbocation in the first step. Now in the second step, on this carbocation, the base, that is the H2O attacks, and there is a formation of the hydrogen will remove with this H2 as H3O positive, and there is a formation of double bond between this positively charged carbon and CH2, and therefore we get a formation of 2-methyl propene in the product. Even CB reaction. Here E stands for elimination, 1 for unimolecular, and CB is conjugate base. Means here there is a formation of conjugate base. Means base means any species which can donate electron pair or which contain lone pair. Means it is a unimolecular elimination, but it is very rare or it is very uncommon. And here there is a formation of carbon, and means carbon bearing negative charge as an intermediate state, or in the intermediate state. It is the rate of this reaction, it depends on alkyl halide, that is concentration of alkyl halide, as well as on the concentration of base. See in the example methyl halide, ethyl halide, when the base attacks on this ethyl halide, the hydrogen will remove with this base, and there is a formation of carbon ion, and in the transition state, and this halogen will remove as X negative, and there is a formation of ethene. Now see the mechanism of this even CB. The mechanism of this even CB also involve two steps. In the first step, when base attacks on this ethyl halide, this hydrogen they will remove with this base as BH positive, and this sigma bond will shift on this carbon atom. Therefore this carbon acquire negative charge, means there is a formation of carbon ion in the first step. In the second step, the negative charge on the carbon ion will transfer between these two carbon atom, and this halogen, that is the X, will remove as X negative, and there is a formation of ethene in the second step. Thank you.